hate I really hate ducks.
Hello and welcome to Lawyer Flash. Today we discuss the First Amendment, not the Second Amendment. Welcome to Lawyer Flash, where we explain the law. There's law swirling around us, affecting us every day, from Congress, from politicians, it's in the news, and I'm here to explain it all. Over the past couple of weeks, controversy arose when a member of the cast of the reality series Duck Dynasty openly made very anti-gay comments. Advocates demanded his removal from the series, while protectors rode to his defense, claiming the criticism violated his First Amendment rights. This week on Lawyer Flash, we look at what is the First Amendment. The First Amendment to the Constitution is one of the Bill of Rights, which were a number of amendments that were passed with the Constitution when it was originally enacted. The First Amendment says this: Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of their grievances. Let's take that one piece at a time and see how it applies to Duck Dynasty. Congress shall make no law. Right away we see this applies to Congress. It doesn't apply to private citizens. If you or I want to criticize Duck Dynasty, we're free to do so. The next clause, respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. This is known as the Establishment Clause, and it affects the government's ability to interface with religion. It's a very complex subject. We dealt with some of it in our past episode on Is Christmas Legal? But it does not relate to free speech. The next clause, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. This is where the action is with respect to Duck Dynasty. This is the clause that encompasses the right to free speech. What it says is that Congress may not pass a law that abridges the right of freedom of speech or of the press. It's enshrined in our Constitution, and it relates to government action. Congress cannot pass a law that prevents free speech. Like every area of constitutional law, it's got many nuances, many difficult circumstances for the courts to face to determine where it lies, but in this case, nothing about the Duck Dynasty controversy had anything to do with Congress threatening to pass any law. It was merely private citizens with different points of view. Having different points of view is part of democracy and part of free speech, and it in no way impinges on a person's right to free speech for another private citizen to express an opposing view. That's our show for this week. You can find us here each week at lawyerflash.net or youtube.com/lawyerflash. Be sure and exercise your First Amendment rights and shoot us a tweet at our Twitter feed or check out our Facebook page and leave a comment. I'm your host, Jon Deer. We look forward to seeing you here next week on Lawyer Flash.